Hi guys, it's me Ubprogrammer and this is day 5 of 100 days of Kaggle, and in this day I have joined I joined this competition in the day 4, but I did my first submission at this day 5, and you can see it was a playground competition made for the beginners, and I'm obviously a beginner in the Kaggle, and the target value was the cost, so we have to predict the media campaign cost in this dataset. It has like 13 features, I guess, yeah. And you can see my submission is 5 hours ago, and this is my first submission, and I will try to make it better uh, tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow. Okay, so let's see what was my approach towards the solution. And one other thing I have like achieved in this day, that I am following, or I am creating a pipeline which I will follow in all the upcoming projects in my Kaggle, and this will be like this, all of these steps. Let me just okay, let me remove the webcam. Yeah, so the first step is loading the training data, then the EDA, of course, exploratory data analysis, then it is data pre-processing, so that we can like make it ready for the training, for the model training, then the splitting, target and features, and train test split, and making x and y of our data set, then the model training and validation. So I applied XGBoost, and it uh, then give me the R2 score of 0.11, which is really less. And the matrix they are using is mean squared log error, to be exact, and it is 0.30. But I will try to reduce it, of course. Then I am like giving a heading here, making prediction system. So whatever the project I will be doing, I will make it end-to-end project, so that I can give the inputs and it give me the output of whatever the problem statement is, right? So I will like work on that tomorrow, or maybe some other day. I just wrote pass for now. But this is like the pipeline which I will follow in all the upcoming projects, or whatever projects I have done before, right? I will try to modify them. Okay, then there is loading, pre-processing, and doing prediction on the testing data, so that we can like perform prediction and save it in a file, so that we can submit. Here comes the exporting the submission file, and the format they was expecting was the first column to be ID, and the second column the predicted cost, and I did exactly. Then submission.csv, which you can see here in my submission. Okay, so that was the project, and if you see my profile, let me just show you. Yeah, my profile, and you can see on the day 5 of this series, of this journey, Kaggle journey, I got 5 competitions completed, which is like, I am assuming a progress, a considerable progress for me as a beginner, right? And I will try to make improvements in all of these competition, and try to climb the leaderboard. And yeah, so that's it for now, and the link of the dataset, link of the notebook will be provided in the description. You can check it out, and if you like it, or if you like my this pipeline, you can give me an upvote here. It will help me to improve my score on Kaggle. Okay, so that's it for now, and I will meet you in the day 6 of 100 days of Kaggle. Thanks for watching.